Hello, old Pop here. Straight in, no messing about, content creation. If you're stuck for ideas for creating content, easy. Grab your camera, walk round the house, because people I've found in life like to know what's going off in other people's lives. So grab your camera, have a walk round your house, explain to people what's going off, how you're decorating, when to decorate, or go in the garden. Show people your plants. Show people the planting time. There's hundreds and millions and trillions of ideas. Get some ideas off YouTube as well. I'm not going to stretch this video out because I'm not like that. Content creating, not a problem. Have a look at a few of my shorts. I create content, loads of it. So don't get disillusioned if you're stuck for ideas. Just follow Road Pop and have a walk round. Show people how you make things. Show people how to do things. People are always interested in what somebody else is doing. It's not being nosy, it's just being inquisitive. So I'm going to get off the video now because I don't like stretching them out. God bless you all. Keep watching. Pop up again and tra-tra-tra.